Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in and welcome to our daily stock review. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and push the bell notification button so that you'll always know about new video releases. I'm Troglodyte from Simple Trade. Today I would like to discuss with you the stock CNGT. The stock recently increased its value by 15,000%. I will now explain why, so let's dive right in. This is a pink current company concentrating in the development of consumer products. The company has a remarkable share structure that will allow for a beautiful run. For more on share structure, meaning relevant catalysts and trading the OTC all in all, make sure to check out the free OTC Oracle course. The link is in the description. On the 12th of November, the company released news stating that they closed the acquisition of the Integrity Wellness Group Incorporated. Now, there is a specific fact in this news that is extremely interesting to notice, and it is that a new chairman of the board of directors will be joining, Jim Morrison. And Jim Morrison was the president of L'Oreal for 9 years. L'Oreal, as many of you know I'm sure, is a giant in the personal care product industry. In an 8K released on the 16th of December, the company announced the appointment of said Jim Morrison as president and CEO of CNGT. That fact floated up on Twitter everywhere on the 29th of December, and that is absolutely amazing news. The previous president of L'Oreal is now becoming the president and CEO of an OTC company. That caused the immense rise in value that we can see that same day. Then, just yesterday, the company released news stating the appointment of Jim Morrison officially as the CEO and president of CNGT. It will be interesting to see what will Jim do with the company now, in what direction will he take it, what acquisitions or projects he will initiate, and what will be the value of the stock in weeks and months to come. I hope you have enjoyed the video and that you have learned from it. Make sure to join our Discord community of Simple Trade to thrive and prosper. Good day to all and see you out there!